Have you recently entered into a contract of selling your home? Or are you thinking about selling? Having a pre-listing home inspection has many advantages that most sellers are not aware of. A pre-listing home inspection is essentially a home inspection prior to listing the home for sale. It gives the seller the opportunity to know of and make necessary repairs before the house goes on the market. Here are 3 major benefits of a pre-listing or seller's home inspection. Number 1. Getting your home sold quickly. A pre-listing home inspection gives you a heads up of any issues that normally a potential buyer would likely want to be repaired. Knowing of these issues in advance and addressing them makes for a cleaner and more problem-free home. Number 2. Getting the price you want. Market value is what the market is willing to pay for a particular property, in which case, your home. Pricing a pre-inspected, clean home will be easier for your real estate agent and increase the buyer's perceived value of the property. Number 3. A buyer will be more convinced there are no issues since the home has undergone a pre-listing home inspection. A home buyer will be happy to know that the house they are considering has been thoroughly inspected and helps to make them confident about their purchase. Having your home evaluated and eliminating potential surprises before any potential buyers show up will allow the home to be sold for more money. This also reduces the cost of any needed repairs and minimizes the frustration with the entire sales process, giving you a sigh of relief.